So tell her to join now.
Sir, -3. Sir, answer -√3, sir.
Okay. Right. So let us wait 1 minute. Once again, I started the meeting. Pi by 24 plus 11 pi by 24. That is 12 pi by 24. That is pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Yes.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. 9 pi by, this is also, if you add these two angles, we get pi by 2.
90 degrees.
If you add these two angles, you get pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
So that means solution you get like this. Product of tan pi by 4 into tan 11 pi by 4 is 1. Tan 3 pi by
Sir,
4, tan 9 by 4 is 1. Tan pi by 5 pi by 24, tan 7 pi by 24 is also 1. But this one is actually 8 2 ja, 8 3 ja. Tan 2 pi by 3. So pi by 3 is 60. This is equal to tan 120. This tan 120, P1 is new one. 180,
tan of 90.
180 minus 60. Minus tan 60.
-√3.
Minus 4. Yes, fourth option is the right option. 14 joined, Nana. Okay, let us move to the next question. (38) x is equal to a sec cube theta tan theta y equals to b tan cube theta sec theta. Then sin square theta equals to first option x upon a minus y upon b. Second, x upon a plus y upon b. Third, xy upon ab. Fourth one, ay upon bx. Okay, let us try
Option two,
option.
second option, sir.
Second option. Okay, second option means you are going to get like this. X upon a plus y upon b. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
That means from this we can take out sec theta tan theta common. If you add these two, so you will be getting a secant square theta plus b tan square theta. So this cannot be written. If sum is not possible, difference also not possible. First option, second option eliminated, first option eliminated. either third or fourth. So that's why let us try like this. Let us try. Okay, y upon x, let us find out.
Fourth option, sir.
Let us see. B tan cube theta sec theta upon a sec cube theta tan theta. So tan cube theta by tan theta is tan theta here. Sorry, tan square theta upon sec cube theta cancel, you get secant square theta. A secant square theta. I will tell you one more interesting factor is that this tan theta by sec theta is, this is sin theta by cos theta. This is 1 by cos theta we can write. Cos theta cancel, sin theta. So tan square theta by sin square theta is equal to sin square theta we can write. B by A sin square theta. But we need sin square theta. Sin square theta equals to y upon x divided by this b upon a. This we can write y upon x into a by b. Ay by bx. Yes, fourth option is the right option. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes. Sir, once show before pay. Thank you, sir.
$39. Okay. If x upon a cos theta plus y upon b sin theta equals to 1 and x upon a sin theta minus y upon b cos theta equals to 1, then x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to first option 1, second option -1, third option is 2, fourth option is 3.
Third option, sir.
How could you say? See, already we have studied one problem. A cos theta plus b sin theta equal to p, say equation 1. And next this is a sin theta minus b cos theta equals to q. So from 1 and 2, we get like this. A square plus b square equals to p square plus q square. So now, according to the problem here, a is equal to, a means x upon a, b means y upon b. So that means x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to p. This is p. This will be q. P square plus q square. 1 square 1, 1 square 1. So answer is 2. Yes, third option is the right option. This is one method. So other method means options are independent of theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So put theta is equal to 0 or 90. So in the first equation, if you put 0, what do you get? X by a into 1 x by a. X by a is equal to 1. Say equation 1. If you put x is equal to 0 here, sin 0, 0. So minus y by b equals to 1. That implies y by b equals to negative 1. This is 2. So x square by a square plus y square by b square. So 1 plus minus 1 square also 1. So 2.
2.
Even if you put theta is equal to 90 also, you will get it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Question number 40.
Sir, once show before page.
This is first method. Sorry, second. This is first method.
Completed.
In a triangle ABC, if cot A into cot B into cot C is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. Then the triangle is first one is acute angled, second one is right angled, third one is obtuse angled, fourth one is cannot say anything.
Right angle.
How do you justify?
Second option.
How do you justify? Okay. See, I will take three types of triangles. This is acute angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Say
Yes.
this is ABC. This is ABC. This is ABC. In these three cases, let us find out the cot A, cot B, cot C value. See here cot A into cot B into cot C. See, A is acute angle less than 90. A lies in the first quadrant. So that means cot A is positive. B is also acute angle. That is also positive. C is also acute angle. That is also positive. Positive into positive, positive, positive. Positive means greater than 0. Okay. What is given? Cot A, cot B, cot C is greater than 0. So that means it must be what? Acute angle triangle. Let us see what happens. In a triangle, only one of the angle becomes obtuse angle. A triangle will have only one obtuse angle. It cannot have more than one obtuse angle. You remember. A is acute, C is acute, but whereas B is obtuse angle. See, cot A into cot B into cot C. Now A lies in the first quadrant, positive cot A. B lies in the second quadrant, more than 90, negative cot is positive. Positive into negative, negative, negative into positive, negative. Sorry, negative. That's why less than 0. But here greater than 0 given. So it is incorrect. It is incorrect. Now cot A, cot B, cot C. Cot A is positive, but cot 90 is 0. Cot C is also positive. So 0. But cot A into cot B into cot C is not equal to 0. Who is Siri? Which is the right option now? Tell me.
Acute angle.
Yes.
Acute angle.
Yes, yes. If cot A into cot B into cot C less than 0, then answer is obtuse angled. Cot A into cot B into cot C is equal to 0, then right angle.
Right angle.
Understood now?
Right angle.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
41. If alpha, beta are complementary angles, and sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, then sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta equals to, first option is 7 upon 25. Second one is negative 7 upon 25. Third one is 25 upon 7. Fourth one is negative 25 upon 7. Right. See, this is very important. This is the stem of the problem. This gives more important information about the problem. Alpha comma beta are complementary. That means alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Am I correct?
Yes.
Since
Yes,
sum
sir.
of the two angles is 90 degrees, means definitely 0 less than alpha comma beta less than or equal to 90. Am I correct or not? Both are acute angles. If two angles are acute only, then only the sum becomes 90. The alpha cannot exceed 90, beta also cannot exceed 90. So that's why you can write like this. Understood? So alpha comma beta lies in the first quadrant. You remember that condition. Sin alpha given. So you need to find out cos alpha. Cos alpha is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square alpha. Am I correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus 9 by 25. This will be 16 by 25. But plus or minus, but alpha lies in the first quadrant. Positive only we need to take. Okay. Now beta is equal to 90 degrees minus alpha. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Alpha is equal to 90
sir.
degrees minus
Sir.
beta. You can write. So now you find out cos alpha here. Cos alpha. Cos alpha is equal to cos 90 degrees minus beta. Cos 90 minus beta is sin beta. So sin beta equals to 4 by 5. So let us substitute in this one now. Given expression sin alpha is equal to given 3 by 5 into cos beta. Cos beta is equal to, we need to find out cos beta. Cos beta equals to root of 1 minus sin square beta. So under root of 1 minus 16 by 25, root of 9 by 25, 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5 minus cos alpha. Cos alpha is 4 by 5 into sin beta. Sin beta is 4 by 5. This is 9 by 25 minus 16 by 25 minus 7 by 25. Am I correct?
Yes.
No doubt.
Completed, sir.
Second question. 4a square sin square 3 pi by 4. That means 135 degrees. 3 pi by 4 minus a into tan 225 degrees whole square plus 2a times cos 315 degrees whole square equals to first option 0, second option a, third option root over 2a, fourth option a square. I think second option, third option may not be correct. Either first one or fourth one, because all the
Fourth.
square terms are there.
Option 3, sir.
Option cannot be 3.
Option.
Because how could you get square root? First, let us find out sine 3 pi by 4. Sine 135. Sine 180 degrees minus 45. This is minus, plus sine 45 only, second quadrant. This is 1 upon root 2. Tan 225. Let us find out tan 225. Tan 180 plus 45. Tan 180 plus theta plus tan theta. Tan 45.
1.
1. Cos 315. Cos 360 minus 45. Fourth quadrant. Cos is positive.
1 by root 2.
Cos 45. 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
Now substitute and simplify. See, 4a square into sine 3 by 4 pi by 4 whole square, 1 by root 2 square, 1 by 2 minus 3 times tan 225 is 1 square, a square minus 3a square, this is plus this will be 4a square, 2a whole square into 1 by root 2 square, 1 by 2. This will be 2a square minus 3a square plus 2a square. 2a square, 2a square, 4a square
Cancel.
minus 3a square. You will be getting a square.
A square.
Yes, fourth option is the right option. Right. 43. If theta lies in the first quadrant and phi tan theta equals to 4, then phi sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon sin theta plus 2 cos theta is equal to first option 5 upon 14, second option 3 upon 14, third option 1 upon 14, fourth option is 0. Theta lies in the first quadrant means all trigonometric ratios are positive only. That's the meaning. Okay. So from this, tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. This we can write sin theta by cos theta equals to 4 by 5. I will tell you one technique. You need to find out 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta sin theta plus 2 cos theta. You do one thing. Instead of sin, you substitute 4. Instead of cos, you substitute 5. This is actually, this method is absurd only, but for the sake of answer, you can substitute for MCQs, for multiple choice only. See, this is 5 times 4 minus 3 times 5 upon 4 plus 2 times 5. This
Option
is
1, sir.
20 minus 15.
First option, sir.
4 plus 10.
First option.
5 upon 14. Easy or odd?
Easy, sir.
Easy.
Yes. But in public examination, if you do like this, you will get 0 marks.
Sir, one stop before page. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I will give one question, you try it now. If A sin square theta plus B cos square theta equals to C, then tan square theta equals to, first option B minus C upon A minus C, C minus B upon A minus C, third A minus C upon B minus C, fourth A minus C upon C minus B. So I'll give the question number also, the same model. 20, question number 20. In question number 20, numbers given, that's all. Otherwise, I will give the clue also. Divide both sides by cos square theta. Then you will get the answer. Okay, you try this question. Today I have some work. Okay, I will take a break. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.